Some AI channels are making over $10,000 a month without even showing their face. And the crazy part? Many of them are pulling millions of views on simple AI-generated videos. Look at this. Walter AI Art. Just 11 videos, already at 23.8 thousand subscribers. One video almost hit 600,000 views in just 2 weeks on long form. And the estimated monthly revenue is already reaching around $3.5 thousand. 11 videos. That's it. So, what's going on here? And why isn't everyone doing this? The truth is, most people are using AI the wrong way. But in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method. No confusion, no experience needed. Don't skip because this might be the easiest way to start a content channel right now. First, copy the prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. It will give you a list of viral video ideas. Pick the one you like. I'm going with the first one. Now paste your chosen idea here, then copy the last line from the prompt PDF and paste it too. Choose how many image and video prompts you want. I'm going with 4 scenes. Hit enter and ChatGPT will generate detailed image and video prompts for every single scene instantly. Now to make the video more engaging, we need lyrical background music. Write this prompt in ChatGPT and it will generate the lyrics for your song. Now head over to Google Gemini, choose Create Music, paste the lyrics in and hit enter. Gemini will create soft, ambient, and cinematic music that perfectly matches the mood of your video. Hit download. Your entire soundtrack is ready in under 2 minutes. Now head over to Google Flow. Choose image, select your desired settings, copy image prompt 1 from ChatGPT and paste it in. Google Flow will generate a perfectly structured image for your first scene. Repeat the exact same process for all remaining scenes until every image is done. Now let's bring every image to life. Copy video prompt 1, click on your first image, click the 3 dots, hit animate, and paste the prompt in. Google Flow will generate an ultra-realistic animated video for that scene. Repeat the exact same process for every image until all your scenes are converted into videos. Open any editor, import all your videos and the music you generated. Arrange everything in sequence, scale up slightly to hide the VO watermark, and adjust the music to match the mood of each scene. Add a cinematic text intro at the beginning to give it that premium feel, and export. Your viral AI video is ready to post.
In fields where silence softly stays, he walks through time in gentle ways, with weathered hands and quiet eyes, holding stories no one writes. And he's the last to remember what the world left behind.
Walter AI Art did it with 11 videos. You can do it with 1. All the prompts you need are in the description, completely free. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.